How the parrot got her voice. Parrot is the one that will not speak. She cannot squawk. She cannot screech. She will not talk to the other parrots. Every day, Parrot will be sad to not talk. She is super tired. She wants to leave her flock. Parrot wants to meet Monkey. Why are you not talking? Asked Monkey. Parrot cannot crack a smile. Since you are a baby, can you make a squawk or a smile? Said Monkey. Suddenly, Parrot said, no. Why can't you talk? You're a human speaking, shouted Monkey. I'm not a human. You know, I'm a parrot, said Parrot. Parrot and Monkey laughed. And that is how the parrot got her voice. The end.